Hey everybody, it's Keith with Bob CNC. I'm here today with Robert to make an announcement about our KL744.
Yeah, it kind of grew in the x-axis.
Yes, that's it. It's not a 744 anymore. It is a 4x8.
Yeah, so it's a 744 with an extension kit in the x-axis. Right. What it's going to do is it's going to make your cutting area 4x8 or 96 inches by 48.
Right.
And also, if you bought it with the table last time, we actually have an optional table kit to go with it as well. So if you're interested in this, please check it out on the Bob CNC website. It is under products and then CNC extension kits. You'll see it there with just the extension kit only and also with the optional table. One thing we want to be clear with on this is it does not come with the spoil board. You'll have to create your own spoil board just like you did with the KL744. And also it does not come with the X-rails. These are 3/8 inch stress-proof steel you can find at your local steel supplier.
Right.
The reason we didn't include them is not because we didn't want to. They're just 108 inches long, and believe me, by the time you paid for shipping, you'd say, hey, I could just buy those myself. So those are not included really due to the shipping cost. So
and we've got the manual online so you can take a look, see if that's something you want to do.
Yeah, so check it out.
Thanks guys.
See ya.